Well, good morning. The old Ford here. Transmission's out of it. And I got a replacement there. So I thought I'd start it up, run it around back, start robbing some parts off of it. But first I ought to see if there's anything good in it. Alright, I know there's a bunch of junk in the back here. Some oil and gas. There's some snap coupler parts. Some Alice Baylor parts. Fast hitch parts. And bolts and nuts and screws and brass and whatever, copper. All kinds of things. Well, anyhow, I went around and opened the driver's side door, see what was in there. Here was a boomer and a red flag and a log chain. They were stuck down to the floor because the roof leaks. There was 4 20-foot straps. Well, 4 keepers and 3 straps. They were on the seat. A couple small ones there, and some bottles of water, a little piece of rope. Oh, there was 2 heavy winter coats, and heavy winter shirt was on the seat. Plus new raincoat and some good pair of leather gloves. I put them in that truck. Might as well start filling it up. But I was cleaning out the floor here on this side, and I got a few things here to clean up, put in the burn pile. Some worn out rotten gloves, Mountain Dew bottles, water bottles, plastic things, cigarette packs. Anyhow, now I'm going to clean up them washers, put them in the tin can, take them out the barn. Some little bolts. And I got all this stuff on the seat here. Half of it was on the floor. The old pillowcase. This stuff was on the floor. Some Lincoln log parts. I'm going to take them up, put them in the attic with the rest of them. And, what's on the seat here now? There's 3 or 4 crescent wrenches, 3 or 4 pairs of pliers, 3 hammers, breaker bar sockets, ball bat, jumper cables, and a doggy, and a safety light, spark plugs, and I don't know what all. There's a pin for a resitch, and there's a bunch of things up here on the front here I've got to get off. So we'll get this cleaned up, fold the seat up, and then see what's in the back. There's a great big old antique tractor headlight. I know there's a couple inner tubes in there. New ones. Alright, when I get the seat cleaned up, we'll go from there. Let's see what we got on the seat. Spark plugs and cow magnets. Hammer. Torque wrench. Pliers, wood carving tools, screwdrivers, more screwdrivers, snap ring wrench, another hammer, another hammer. Let's see, pair of pliers, crescent wrench, a couple brand new Harbor Freight little dollar clamps, another end wrench, screwdriver, needle nose, another glove, another screwdriver, some little Torx bits, another crescent wrench, breaker bar and socket, 2 quarts of motor oil, three new spark plugs, wristwatch, electric plug, lawnmower throttles, solenoid, key switch, another key switch, light switch. That's junk. Electric plug, another key switch of some sort, calculator, small electric wire, Reese hitch pin, little winter cap of some sort, big heavy piece of copper wire, more new spark plugs, new and used. Oh, this yellow blinky light. Hey, the bucket's about full. A couple Lincoln log pieces. That's spark plug for a D17. New or used, I don't care. I'll keep it. A little push button electric switch. So, for a sickle bar mower, probably a John Deere. Okay. Oh, there's jumper cables in there. Hey, a snot rag. Some electric wire. Another pair of gloves. Hey, looks like a new bottle of water. And the ball bat. Alright, that's about the end of what's on here. Alright, I'll get the rest of this out. Oh, here's a nice little box of some sort. I'll get the rest of this out and we'll see what's in the back seat. Well, what's up here on the dash? Pressure gauge, light switch, Cupid doll, brazen rods, the plastic tie straps, three pairs of pliers, more Torx bits, end wrench, little covered wagon for the Cupid doll to ride in, a little scales, tape, another wristwatch, an antique amp gauge, thing off of something, coin thing, some pencils, screwdriver, some coins, ring gauge, yardstick from Lowe's, manifold gaskets for Ford tractor, and a thermometer, I think it is, and a Harbor Freight flashlight, and a expired handicap sticker. Alright, that's what's on the dash. Well, I gotta be more careful with my finances. There was $1.73 laying up there on the dash. I'll put it in that coin thing. Well, what's in the back seat? A box of case parts, funnel for transmission oil, a broom to clean the truck out, spark plug wire, a new inner tube, 14.5. Hey, that's a $30 inner tube. More spark plug wires. A stool for going to the sale. A new tractor seat. An old raincoat. Some oil or antifreeze. An empty box. Another windshield wiper blade. A 16-inch inner tube. Another funnel. An old antique headlight. Oh, what's over here? Boy, that's heavy. Another quart of oil, transmission fluid, red flag. Ow. Come on, get out of there. The hub off of something. I don't know what that is. Another winter brush, shirt, old worn out coveralls. An old jacket. I know this is a tractor inner tube. I bought one at a sale one day and it was the wrong size. Belt for a lawnmower. Another funnel for transmission fluid. More oil. Another strap. Paper towels. Another hammer. Spark plugs, screwdrivers, and hydraulic jack, ball hitches, hitch pins, more oil. There's an electric paint sprayer. Alright, that's about what was in the back seat here. Now I've got to figure out what to do with it. Now, what was on this side of the back seat? A box full of new main bearings for something. An oil seal for some kind of case something, hard hat, some oil, funnel, a couple jacks, ball hitch, some bolts, electric sprayer, scooter store, tractor inner tube, some hitch pins and grease, and that was this side back seat. Now we got to figure out what we're going to do with all that stuff. Now we still got all this junk in the back. I think we might throw it in the scrap iron pile. There's 2 gallons of gas there. 2-3 quarts of oil. We can use that. Alright, that's enough.